Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today is my 24-inch Amaya Raine's day that we're going to work on her shirt that I bought from Aliexpress. I love this. This for her hair, isn't that cute? Came with that. This was just a couple dollars on Aliexpress. However, it fits her if I could get it on. You can't get it on her. So what I'm going to do is take this to the sewing machine. I'm going to sew on either side. I'm going to knot that with my sewing machine with the back and forth, back and forth. I'm going to come down here. I'm going to do the same. And what I'm doing is catching the elastic so that it doesn't snap out of the outfit. Slit the back, add Velcro so that this will go on her like a shirt. She also has new shoes. I love her new shoes. Love, love, love her new shoes. Darren 3D printed these. He took the calibrator and measured her foot, and he made these really cool shoe soles. They are 3D printed. We are going to offer those in our shop for the Amaya Raine. We don't have any up there today, but they will be coming. I found this, I call it a ribbon, but it's not. It's a bling ribbon at the Dollar Tree here in town, and I used it. You saw this on my fairy video on the 21st of June, and I made her shoes with it. And then I took that same ribbon and made these adorable shoes. Aren't they so sexy, the little mules? So let's make her shirt, and I don't know about that, but we'll give it a whirl. I don't know. But the shirt is very cute. All right, I did exactly what I said. I took this to sewing machine. I pulled this as tight as I could right in the middle of the back. And I took my sewing machine, went back and forth, right next to it, back and forth, did the same at the bottom, and I cut it. I brought it over and I hadn't cut it far enough, so I took it further down. I tucked that fabric under. I added a piece of Velcro that would go down past the second piece of elastic. Let's try it on her. As you can see, I got it on. I've got it Velcroed. That is a big booty right there now. And it looks pretty cute. Let's see about that bow. You can't see the shirt or dress in the back, but you can see her little bow and that gorgeous hair. As you can see, she can stand in her new shoes from Darren. She's kind of funny. This leg joint, I can't get the hip just right. It's not the shoes, it's the, I don't know. But anyway, love this top, love this doll, love the shoes. And you know what else I love? These little PJs I took off of her. They're so cute. They're made for an 18-inch doll. And this is a hidden giveaway, and I'm giving away a brand new pair of the little PJs like you saw on Amaya Raine to one of my subscribers, one of my active subscribers. An active subscriber is someone that leaves likes and comments. If you would like to have these PJs, put the word maroon in the comments so that it remains a hidden giveaway for those that actually watch the whole video. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.